Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create your Pinterest business account as quick as possible. And for this we go to Saved, and on Saved we tap on our own profile icon left in the top. Then from here we go to Account Management, and from here we click on Convert to a business account. Then right now we click on Confirm Account, and then we need to create a profile name. Now I want to create motivational poses or pictures, so I call it motivational. Then we do next, or websites.youtube.com. You can fill in your website. I don't have a website for now, so I will do YouTube. Describe your business. Now I am a creator, influencer, public figure or celebrity. Then we do next. Would you ever be interested in running ads on Pinterest? Yes, I'm interested in advertising. And right now, if we do next, click on the cross, we have a business account, guys. And this is exactly how easy this is. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.